Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're here with another genocide, another massacre. Like gold. So I guess that's something that's for the girl them. So we're gonna jump in and see what the G has say. It's a blessing to get 2 songs from the G within 7 days. Okay, last song dropped 7 days ago. Now we have the next one, so 7 days. Yeah. 2 songs in 7 days. Genocide, top farm. One side to the land style, you don't know. Big up the genocide fans that are tuning already. Big up yourself if you click like already. If you don't click like yet, clicky like, CMA. Clicky like. We can jump in that one there right now. Let's go. Oh my God. Crocs.
She got the style, you want she
got the style,
need her for ride, we need her for ride every night. She got the style, you want she got the style, we like the vibe was alright.
Y'all thick like grandma clock. Y'all thick like she drink cement soap to bumbo clock.
She got the style, you want she got the style, we like the vibe was alright. Inside you for life, I want to tell you, love how your pussy feel like gold. Tight hole.
YouTube, don't block it.
Love how your pussy feel like
yeah.
Tight hole.
For the girl them, we go for the side, for the song tight. Let's go.
Girl, you want me up when the night cold.
Yeah.
Your pussy magical, you do something to my soul.
Yeah.
You're pretty and you're bad and you a right ball. Deep throat the cocky, you make me eye roll.
Boom. Give me that side up. Give me that side.
Girl, you want me up when the night cold. Your pussy magical, you do something to my soul. You're pretty and you're bad and you a right ball. Deep throat the cocky, you make me eye roll. Like pole gone up in a your tight hole. Me like scroll and see up on me iPhone. She send me a pussy picture, me go right home. Cock it off like stone. Your pussy feel like
what say yo? She send me a picture. Me go right home, so no matter when I do him left that. Cause him know say, yo, it's worth it. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta, he's loving it. Yeah, it's worth it.
Like pole gone up in a your tight hole. Me like scroll and see up on me iPhone. She send me a pussy picture, me go right home. Cock it off like stone. Your pussy feel like gold. Tight hole. Love how your pussy feel like gold. Tight hole.
She have a
tight hole.
Voila.
Tight hole. Girl sit down on the cocky and a pedal off. You get a medal off, and you no regular. Tough in a belly, this something never saw. Buff and you ready, me dig it treasure fast.
Yo, them lyrics is so simple but effective that is the skill that Masicka have, like in abundance. Him can get one song with full of pure lyrics, but everything connect. Don't him can get something like this way, simple but everything still connect same way. The range where him have like yo.
Girl sit down on the cocky and a pedal off. You get a medal off, and you no regular. Tough in a belly, this something never saw. Buff and you ready, me dig it treasure fast. Dig it treasure slow, girl a wine sweat a flow.
Dig it treasure fast and dig it treasure slow. And flip up the rhymes there, so same thing, but depends on how she want it, fast or slow. But regardless, it is treasure.
You get a medal off, and you no regular. Tough in a belly, this something never saw. Buff and you ready, me dig it treasure fast.
Yeah.
Dig it treasure slow, girl a wine sweat a flow.
So him use the fast and slow to switch the rhyme. Dig the treasure fast. Then him jump out of the rhyme there and say dig the treasure slow. Then him going on one slow rhyme.
Buff and you ready, me dig it treasure fast. Dig it treasure slow, girl a wine sweat a flow. Me never know, so your bad me never know. You give the better rhyme, girl you give the better blow. A diamond you have me, have to make pressure flow. Tight hole.
A diamond you have to make pressure flow.
Love how your pussy feel like gold. Tight hole. Love how your pussy feel like gold. Tight hole.
bad. Donnell production. Donnell, big up yourself. The chemistry Masicka and Donnell have is been like so great. See the two of them are grow together and I work together same way. The song pan all, bro, great project. Like me say, now my last reaction towards Masicka. Masicka not put a foot wrong. Masicka don't drop mediocre songs. Masicka don't drop shit songs. Masicka drop song where have meaning and Masicka never disappoint. Masicka don't disappoint him fans them. You see me? Bro, pick up yourself and continue to do your day, brother. You're great. You see me? Don't worry about the distractions where if it wasn't great, distraction wouldn't be found in your way, my fam. So continue to do what you do for the girl them, for the thugs them, and chat the reality them for the people them. You understand? Bro, Masicka great. Masicka a great artist. Masicka is a great artist. So you have to give them, you have to give people like this them flowers before anything happen. You have to give them people them flowers. Masicka, me I give you flowers, bro. You're a great artist from day one, bro. You see me? With growth, you show how great you really is. So big up yourself. Big up the genocide fans them. Big up the fans them with Jenna. When they say yo, them a rep Jenna until they landslide. You see me? Big up them fans there. So this is how I'm gonna leave the one here still. If you enjoy the one here, I want to see more. Please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around there if you're new. And I swear to God I'll see you in the next one. You hear that? Peace.